Wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath? I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. out on my knees. I could tell myself I'm strong enough to give all the love that I need, but I still need you. It's 3 a.m. and you call me, telling me that you're lonely. I don't know how many times I got to tell you it's over. I can't believe you're so hung up on me. Why can't you see it wasn't meant to be? If you call it quits, I'll be on to the next one. If you talk that shit, I'll be on to the next one. If you're gonna treat me right, keep me burning through the night. If you haven't got the time, I'll be on to the next one. What you wanted, I'm not cold, I'm just honest. You only call when you want one thing, and I always fall for it. I can't believe you got a hold on me again. Why can't you see it don't work just being friends? If you call it quits, I'll be on to the next one. If you talk that shit, I'll be on to the next one. If you're gonna treat me right, keep me burning through the night. If you haven't got the time, I'll be on to the next one. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. I'll be on to the next one. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. I'll be on to the next one. Yeah. If you're gonna treat me right, keep me burning through the night. If you haven't got the time, I'll be on to the next one. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. I'll be on to the next one. Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but they were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Baby, let it be, enjoy the memory.